I'm the princess.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I swore. Well, that won't get in. Okay, so everyone once in a while has a bad word slip out here and there. Hey, come on, we're all human. Now, our next guest, who you just saw in that little montage, is Avril Lavigne. She was also our very first guest on Private Sessions, and we were so happy to have her here. She's another one who's done pretty well for herself in this decade, scoring, 6 #1 songs worldwide and having a total of 11 top 10 hits so far. And she's just getting started. Now, when I first interviewed her, she was everything you've heard. Talented, funny, and surprising.
He was like, oh my God, like, you have a really good voice and you're 15. He's like, you've one of the best voices I've heard. And he was like, I'm signing you. So, like, that, I sang for him, and that day he's like, that's it, I'm giving you a record deal. And I was like, 15, I'm like, what's a record deal? What is
Yeah, so you didn't really
I didn't know anything. I didn't know what a publishing deal was, or all I knew was, okay, this is really cool. I'm going to make a record. So I moved to New York, left high school, and
What was that like leaving high school? Were you
awesome.
even concerned at all? Were your friends so jealous that you didn't have to go back to school?
I remember me talking to my friends on the phone, and they're like getting ready for exams, and I'm like,
I'm dancing now. Have fun studying.
Yeah, I was supposed to do homeschooling. I had books, but I didn't do it. So basically, I'm a high school dropout.